In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight a text in Excalidraw. If you want that classic highlighter look behind your text, clean, readable, and a little bit playful, this method is quick and reliable. We'll use the free draw tool to paint a soft band behind your words, and the key is keeping the color semi-transparent so your text remains crisp. Start by selecting the free draw tool. You can click the squiggly line icon in the toolbar or press the F key on your keyboard. This tool lets you draw smooth, natural strokes, perfect for a highlight that looks handmade but tidy. Before you draw, set up the color and opacity so the effect reads as a highlight rather than a solid block. Open the color controls and pick a bright, easy-to-read shade. Yellow is a classic, but any color you like will work. Now lower the opacity so it's semi-transparent. Aim for something around a light, see-through look instead of fully opaque. That way the text remains clearly visible. If you're unsure, start low and increase gradually until it feels right on your canvas. Next, adjust your stroke width so the line is thick enough to span the height of your text. A wider stroke makes a single pass look like a band. If your text is larger, bump the stroke width a bit. If it's small, keep it moderate to avoid overpowering the letters. You can always tweak this after your first attempt. Now draw your highlight behind the text. Make a loose rectangular pass or a gentle freeform swipe that sits just under the letters, extending slightly beyond the left and right edges for a polished look. If your stroke lands on top of the text, don't worry. Simply select the highlight you made and move it behind the text using the arrange options, such as sending it backward or to the back until the letters sit clearly above it. Once it's in place, fine-tune the look. Adjust the opacity if the highlight is too faint or too strong. Nudge the shape to center it under the words, and if needed, smooth your path with a quick redraw. Zoom in a bit for precision, and keep a small buffer above and below the characters so the highlight doesn't crowd the text. Repeat the same process for additional words or lines, keeping your color, opacity, and width consistent for a cohesive design. That's all it takes. Free draw, a semi-transparent color, and a simple shape behind your text for a clean, professional highlight in Excalidraw.